Hey everybody, it's Neil, and right here I have a hoverboard. So I'll show you guys what you get. You get the charging cable and cord for it, some instructions, and we have the hoverboard right here. There. And this one here is beefy. I'm not sure how to get it out of here. There we go. Okay, this one's got some weight to it. Holy moly. Okay. This is not a little kid's toy, a little one like I used to have. Okay, so there we go. So that's it out of the box. Let's see, how do we turn this puppy on? Okay, and there it is on. It even straightens itself to get started. So I'm gonna aim you guys a little bit better here, and you guys can watch me hoverboard. So this is it here. Wow, it's cool. It keeps itself straight. Okay, so let me see. If I go here and here, oh, works just like the old ones. Lean forward. Boy, I haven't used it in a long time. Whee, okay. Works great. Oh my God, and these wheels are way bigger than the old ones. Let me see if I run off the carpet, what happens. Can't even feel it. Oh, I can on the dog toy. Can't make it over the dog toy, but I can make it on the carpet without even feeling anything. So this would be great for heading it up onto going over grass or something like that kind of terrain. And that's cool. It's got a really good turning radius. Holy moly, look at that. I can just turn right around. Okay, so this is it. Very cool. Looks cool. Works great. And I haven't done anything yet with it, so let me see if we're getting off it, how it's gonna be if I just stop and step up, step off. I'm not the best at getting off of these yet, but you get it, it's pretty sweet. That's cool. Worked great. And then you saw the button on it was just right back there. So that turns it off and on. There's the charging port. We're good to go. This one here is a winner. Thumbs up for sure.